always got to spray with
Yeah.
the tool. Now this is boring bar, so
Okay.
I gotta watch it. I don't know what this tool is described as.
Right.
Hold on.
No problem.
Tool data. Boy, oh boy, it's been a long time. Where do you look at that again? Tool data. Oh, that's tool. Yeah, there it is. That's a thread in. Boy. Well, I could call up a tool for it. Call it a general in, but it's not going to have a tool in its hand because there's none.
That's fine. I saw the tool scene, so.
Okay. This is called like a threader or something like that, and I don't know how long this is, and it might just run into the truck.
Yeah, we don't want that.
We want that. So we're going to call this 5 ones. I'm pretty sure 5 should miss. It should be okay. If it's the same as it was when I used to run it. And the Y, that's kind of like, you know, this is the Y move. I mean, that's just for drilling and stuff like that. So
yeah, I still got to see that though. It's an important part of it.
Yeah, let me think here. How can I get it to work that?
Well, just show me that again.
Okay. Because it only uses that like on a circle and turf blade, and like it'll go out to. There's a.
Yeah, show me.
It goes out to 3.5 right there.
Yep.
And it'll go. I think it goes to the -3.5 too. I think the other way.
Okay. Yep.
Well, 3.61 or whatever. About that same. That's always got to be home. Do anything.
Yep.
And you just turn this right here. And make. That's good to do it. There we go.
Yep.
That's when you do drill holes
Yep.
like that in the OD or whatever. You do it back.
Great.
This one's a lot different than the newer one. I just gotta make sure you see where my zero is.
No, I already see it going. I just wanted to see that it was working and spinning.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna stop before it hits stop.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it did. Sure. Okay. Now it's actually feeding in for a cap.
Yeah.
Should be. Back up. Oh yeah. Yeah, I told it to make 4 holes.
Okay, so then
I think
the
I
seat
told it
just
to
went
make
to
4
90.
holes.
Oh.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I just wanted to show that the chuck moved set at 90.
Yeah, see that's at 90, yeah. Position, yep.
Yeah.
See now it's at 90, it was at 0 before.
Okay.
And when it gets done with this one, it should go to 180.
How long did you run this?
Well, I ran this for like 14 years.
Yeah?
Maybe a little less than that, but I ran it for a while.
Are there any issues of it right now that you know of?
I haven't been running it actually.
Okay.
Ricardo has been running it. I actually went over there and ran the newer machine for like a year and a half, 2 years.
Yeah.
Before I got it.
Okay.
100.
Yeah. Okay.
so, and then you bring it forward. And
Okay, yeah, that's
but
fine.
then once you get it set, the quill will come out too. You know.
Okay.
So then you let it go, like, let's say you want it right there.
Yep.
Let that go.
Yep. Yep.
And now you can bring your quill.
Now the quill.
Like that.
Okay,
I don't know
great.
if I bring it out. I don't usually bring it out all the way, so I don't want to.
That's fine. Great. Thank you.